Welcome back, everyone. Before we do anything else, here is the key to lesson 59, as promised. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the next step on your English journey. Last time on Click English, you finished your study of the present simple. In this lesson, you will learn about another present tense, the present continuous. It really is quite simple, and we'll cover it in one lesson. Don't forget to keep practicing. Sarah is in her car. She is on her way to work. This means she is driving now, at the time of speaking. The action is not finished. I am doing something means I'm in the middle of doing it. I've started doing it and I haven't finished. Let's look at some examples. Please don't make so much noise. I'm trying to work. Where's Mark? He's having a shower. Let's go out now. It isn't raining anymore. Hi, Jane. Are you enjoying the party? What's all that noise? What's going on? You can use the present continuous with today, or this week, or this year, etc. Periods around now. We use the present continuous when we talk about changes happening around now, especially with these verbs. Task 1. The sentences on the right follow those on the left. Which sentence goes with which? Complete the conversations. Put the verb into the correct form: positive, I'm doing, or negative, I'm not doing. Complete the sentences using the following verbs. Task 1. Which sentence goes with which? Complete the conversations. Put the verb into the correct form. Complete the sentences using the following verbs. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Goodbye for now.